I cannot believe this is a big collection of EAS alarms, starting with EAS Alarms Series 1. Portugal was like sirening his head off, but unfortunately, Albania appears faceless. But although he has a mouth, but actually he's not faceless, of course. Venezuela's like running, like stealing the money. And Monaco was like, get in the police car right now! Please stop! I'm sorry to steal! Dominica feet Seru parrot. Do I see the parrot? I think I see it. I see it! Bahamas! Why do you have a loud, high-pitched air horn? United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. You got a megaphone. Niger, could you please calm down? I'm trying to study. Zimbabwe's like appearing in all directions with Zambia, featuring some Zambia. And now it's descending. No one wants to listen to Saudi Arabia because it's so long. Alright, Comoros is up next. And it looks like she is pressing the wrong answer. Like, out of sight. Out of sight, out of mind. Whoa! Kiribati, could you please stop having a minigun? But actually, the minigun is already there, but you're not holding it. Actually, it's having a... Who the hell is that?
This broadcast
it's Fiji! The one I went to back in 2019.
A tsunami is bound to impact the
That's a CapCut.
entire nation.
Oh my god, police just got like a portal gun. Oh, Hong Kong was like driving a car. Mayo Needs is like running away from the cops by Morocco. But just like put oil slick and then just got shooting. I can hear the clocks. 12 a.m. And he's still sleeping. Could you please stop? Okay, Brazil is like texting someone. Okay, zooming into Tonga. Tonga was like having a lot of fun. But if you painstakingly look at the right, Canada is so furious about copying her EAS alarm. Wow. Canada is not impressed, but Tonga, for some reason, he is like having a party, but Canada is like not impressed, like depressed. Look how angry Canada is. Sri Lanka, please! Stop! Stop! My ears ringing. Dominican Republic is like Cuba. Could you please stop turning into different countries? Tokyo was up next, and like, bruh, why do you have like a long face? Bolivia, and this is a code 69.420.1627. That's the code for Bolivia. No, don't get closer to me, please. No, please. India, what is wrong with you? Burkina Faso, you saved me! You finally saved India. Oh, wait, Italy, sorry. Oh, Italy! Why are you playing the drums? Even though it's a timpani. Norway is just having a chat to Iceland. Until, panic-stricken, an explosion occurs. But then an airplane explodes too. Texas. No one is going to talk that logo. Continental tier checks. And no one wants to go to Texas. Apart from Sandy Cheeks from SpongeBob SquarePants, like I mentioned before. Benin. And it looks like the Harmony is talking to Benin. Please stop dying, Benin! Latvia was like, what the? Estonia came around and didn't kill Latvia, and then United Arab Emirates appeared out of nowhere. And then Estonia came in, really mad at us, breaking the fourth wall. Ukraine was like, looking at the comments from YouTube, but then tries to get away with it. Which then quietly proceeds by Russia, holding an AK-47. And it looks like Paraguay, Uruguay, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Suriname, Guyana, Bolivia, and Argentina are having a fun time, but Brazil is not having a good time, while Venezuela is really evil at us. But then Chile was like, everyone, take shelter! A tsunami is about to occur. Wow, that's really cool. No one wants to talk about Egypt again. Burma is up next. Bermuda. Beeping. Faroe Islands! Faroe Islands! Faroe Islands! Norway, and it says run. You can see in the text. Iceland. Could you please stop hitting the seizure? Stop being so dizzy. Smear frame! Madagascar is like legitly staring at us for no reason. Yemen inspired by Guhan 78. This is gonna be extremely panic stricken. Malawi is up next and it's acting like a fly. San Marino is gonna be a complete panic stricken! Guadeloupe inspired by Guhan 78. Could you please stop talking about the user? Oh, you're playing a harmonica! Dominican Republic seems to have a lot of fun. But then, panic-stricken! And it looks like he is like having a long face. Only for it to come bigger. Oman was like, very, very, very looking at us. Mauritius, confused, but then he proceeds to scream. Switzerland. Man, I think I'm probably seeing some minor references. Switzerland kind of reminds me of something from BFDI, from the Object Show franchise. Wow, did you see that? Switzerland did the same thing as Fari says when he says, LEAK! From BFDI 1B, Take the Plunge. And it looks like China appears out of Norway with colored bars. So talking to Palestine or Jordan? And seriously, China. Are you talking to a sheep? Sheep. What the? Why did you turn into an emoji? Stretched. Did you just shoot an explosion? Excuse me, why the long face? No one's gonna talk about the dinosaur. Jordan. Why is there a goddamn subway train? Alright, Canada is up next. And it looks like she's in a shade of red, like her color. This is getting intense, guys. St. Lucia's enjoying his step, but then quietly looks around. Bomb in 3 seconds. Just looks at it for a 1 nanosecond. Micronesia is gaming. Maybe he is playing some Rayman Legends. Come on. North Korea is looking at us until a Mickey Mouse face appears, even though it's in black and white. Alright, Japan is up next. And it looks like he is probably staring at us. And also, isn't he supposed to be breaking the fourth wall? But he's not. He's kind of similar to the characters that I saw on BFDI. And it looks like he is happy about a split second. You can say that he is happy in excitement. Because he is the star of the show, like me. Afghanistan is having a grey face. But I can see it blink. And it looks like Guyana has a megaphone in his hand. And for some reason, the colors accidentally changed from blue. From white to blue, I guess, apparently. Colombia's like appearing out of frame. There's like Tunisia and Sweden watching the movie. And it's made by Tunisia Productions! Yeah! Hungary is up next, and it looks like someone is hungry! Apparently. Tajikistan is like jumping around and prancing. Wow! Man, your limbs and arms look like from flour from BFDI! BFDI is one of my... Soviet Union is up next. What the... Turn into Russia. But Slovenia, this is gonna be censored in the channel airings. Alright, Slovenia is like an old man. Couldn't get himself straight. What? What is he dead? Alright, Romania is talking trash to America. Even though I like America, but I hate Romania because he copied America's EAS alarm. But which actually causes him to fight with Romania. Barbados, you have a gun again. Nagrikla? Is that what you said, Serbia? Western Sahara, could you please stop? Ohio. I do not want to go to Ohio, guys. This is why I can't even go to Ohio if you want. Mexico. Anthony in the car. Man, some of your animations are like poorly drawn. Probably because of the arms. Guinea-Bissau's up next, but it doesn't actually zoom out. Suriname is like staring at me, but actually... Oh no. Oh my god! Antarctica! Oh my... Oh, it just cuts to Arizona with a big mouth on his head. You can actually see him having a wide mouth. Uzbekistan. Oh my god, Tuvalu, could you please stop zooming at us? It's completely racist. Anthony in the car, and it looks like Rwanda has his tongue sticked out. Unlike the one from the Newt Newt from Pingu. No one wants to listen to Zambia because it's so loud! Wales and Funtra, like, hooting his horn, like, as a mouth, and it looks like France is, like, looking at something. Like, at an unknown sequence for some reason. Eritrea is, like, shooting a gun, unlike the one from the other country. Wales. And Marshall Islands and Sri Lanka appears. And it looks like they're start to have a brawl. England is like, a tornado is coming! Hong Kong was like, turns into the sussy among us guy. See? He accidentally turns into the imposter. See that? He randomly turns into the imposter. Coconuts hit Kyrgyzstan. But just like, Nigeria, could you please, like, tone the voice down a little, because I know you're having a lot of fun, but that's a bit louder than I expect, please. Okay, I need to get my dinner because my mom told me to. I'll see you guys in a minute.